NUWAVE has been a trusted leader for over 28 years, creating high-performance products at a great value. NUWAVE helps you live well for less.
Welcome folks, today we are going to make toast using the Bravo XL. There are two ways to do it, through the menu or with the Bravo's toast function. Let's begin with the menu. With the Bravo XL on, press menu and scroll through until you reach the toast option. Now, press the start pause dial. The Bravo XL will begin to preheat. That shows you the default toast temperature of 425 degrees. Press temp time to see the default cooking time of 5 minutes, which is a medium toast level. If you want to adjust the lightness or darkness of your toast, use the toast function. Restart your Bravo XL with the on-off button and we'll go through it now. Press toast. The display will show 5, which is the medium toast setting for a nice golden brown toast. You can adjust this setting with the start pause dial. You can turn it down to 1, the lightest, or up to 10, the darkest. As you turn the dial, the time increases as you go higher, and decreases as you go down, but the cooking temperature remains a constant 425 degrees. Now, let's make some toast using the default setting, number 5, for a nice golden brown toast. Press toast to activate the toast function and then press start pause to begin preheating. When the preheating has finished, add your bread to the Bravo. You can fit up to 6 pieces on the cooking rack, but be careful because the rack and the surrounding metal walls will be extremely hot. The Bravo is finished, so let's take a look. There you have it, perfectly golden brown toast from the Bravo XL. You just learned how to use the toast function of the Bravo XL to make perfect, golden brown toast. Welcome folks, today we are going to make a delicious roast chicken using the Bravo XL's integrated temperature probe, which lets you cook based on the internal temperature of the food. Let's get started. With the chicken on our broiler rack, the first thing we're going to do is brush the chicken. We dip our thyme brush in the olive oil and brush the chicken. The flavor of the thyme will go onto the surface. Next, we put the thyme brush into the cavity for extra flavor. Now, we sprinkle the chicken with salt and pepper. We recommend freshly ground black pepper because it gives more flavor than pre-ground pepper. With the chicken prepared, we insert the probe into the thickest part of the chicken breast. Plug it into the probe jack and press probe. The display will show the current temperature reading from the probe, which in this case is 40 degrees. Now, to set the probe target temperature, press and hold probe until the unit beeps. You now see 165 Fahrenheit, which is the default probe temperature as well as the safe cooking temperature for poultry, so it's the temperature we want to reach. Press start pause and the Bravo will begin to preheat to the default cooking temperature of 350 degrees. Now that the Bravo has finished preheating, let's put in the chicken. Open the Bravo door, put the chicken into the oven and close the door. The Bravo will begin to cook. We can check the probe temperature by pressing probe. The unit shows 40 degrees, which is the temperature that the probe is reading. We can watch that number climb until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165, at which time the Bravo will beep, show end and turn off. Now that our chicken is perfectly cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees, let's take it out. Using a cooking glove, take the chicken out of the Bravo. Now, garnish for some extra flavor. There you have it, a perfectly roasted chicken from our Bravo XL. You just learned how to use the probe feature of the Bravo XL to make a perfect roast chicken.